Okay, welcome to a quick tutorial here on setting up a free website using WordPress. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are at wordpress.com, not wordpress.org. Okay, and then just click Get Started. And I need to enter in a valid email address here, and I'm going to block mine out just because I am going to put this on YouTube and Vimeo, and so I want to keep that private. And I need to pick a username here, and let's try Media Arts 406. And no one has that yet. Good deal. Okay, so I'm going to hide my password here and enter in that. Okay, and I need to go ahead and pick a web address here. So maybe something based off the name right here, MediaArts406 demo. How's that? Okay, so that'll be at .wordpress.com. Okay, so they're going to give you lots of options to buy stuff here, but just go ahead and click the no thanks. You'll do it all for free. Here's all the different options if you want to upgrade, but I'm just going to hit the free one here, create blog. Okay, so it's letting me set up my blog. Now you can change all this stuff later once you have WordPress going. So let's see here. Well, might as well change the blog title right now, make it look a little bit nicer. So, just create some spaces here. And I'll get rid of demo too. Okay, and the tagline's optional, of course. I'll just type in for now, welcome to my site. Okay, why not? And then next. Okay, now we can choose a theme now. I'll show you, there's a specific theme that I think I want to use. I'll show you actually how to change your themes in the appearance area of your dashboard once we get there. So I'll just grab this first one here right now. Okay, and we can customize it now, but let's just do it later. So next, next, and let's hit next again. Okay, we have to confirm through our email, so go check your email now. And I'm not going to actually log into my email here on the video, but it'll send you a message like this, and you just click on the confirm email address, and you're good to go. All right, and so this is, so it says email confirmed. And anyway, let's go ahead and check out our new website. Okay, and there it is. Now, what we want to do is go up here to the left and go to the dashboard. And this is our control panel for WordPress, okay? And again, I want to show you how to change themes again, okay? Everybody wants to know how to do that right away. So we go to Appearance and then Themes, okay? So whichever one you had to pick at the beginning, you are not stuck with, okay? There's a whole lot of themes here, okay? And there's lots of free ones. Don't get roped into buying one. I'm going to do a search for 2014, okay? That's the newest WordPress theme that comes as the default themes when you first set up WordPress, okay? And so it's like the standard of 2014 for WordPress themes. And so I want to use that one. And I'm not going to customize it yet. We'll do that later. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see what we did. So we go up here to where it says MediaArts 406, and we have the 2014 theme, completely blank, okay? So now let's go ahead and add some content. Okay, so we go over to the left here, and we go to Pages, right? Okay, and now you see that page that says About right here? We're going to go ahead and get rid of that. WordPress set up a page by default. But let's get rid of everything and just start with a completely blank WordPress. Alright, so now that we've gotten rid of their page, let's go ahead and make our own. Okay, so add new page. Alright, and let's give it a title here. We'll call it Introduction. Okay, and you can type in anything you want here, so I'm just going to type in, here's some text, okay? And you can see some formatting options above. And what I want to do is grab this YouTube video right here, okay? And you can just grab the web address. You don't even need to grab the embed code with WordPress. It's nice and easy here. And just paste it in, okay? Easy enough, right? So, now that we've done that, all we have to do is come over here and click Publish. Okay, and there we go. So now see where it says View Page right here? Let's view that page. Okay, and there we go. We got a video, and we got a little bit of text, and there's our title. Okay, easy enough. Okay, almost a little too easy. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to go over here to Pages, okay? Back to Introduction. Now, If your WordPress did not take with just the URL, it depends on the features that your WordPress has, okay? It might not take it. And if you have that problem, then you have to do it the traditional way, which is go to your YouTube, click share, and then click embed. And there's the iframe, okay? And you need to take that iframe and paste it into the text side, which is the HTML side, the text side of your WordPress. Not the visual side, this side, the text side. And we just paste in that iframe, okay? Easy enough. And we update it. Okay, so let's go ahead and view our page again now that it's updated. And we have two videos. They're different sizes because the different embed methods just have default sizes. Okay, so back to the dashboard. What I want to do is delete that one video. So back to pages, back to introduction, and you're going to notice that the iframe code here looks different. WordPress did that. It knows what it's doing. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Okay, and now let's update it again. And we'll view the page and make sure we didn't do any damage. Okay, it looks good. All right, we got our text, we have our video. There's some things on this page I need to change right now though that I don't like. Okay, I don't want all the sharing buttons here, and I definitely don't want a comments area. We don't want people or spam or anything commenting on our website. Okay, so I'm going to come up here to edit. Okay, I could go to dashboard and then go to pages, but instead of the dashboard I can just go to edit, and that's going to edit the page I'm on. So I'm back in the introduction page here, okay? And I can uncheck this show likes and show sharing buttons, but where's the comments area, right? We go up here to screen options and then click on discussion. Now scroll down and there we go. And we can uncheck these, okay? And that's going to get rid of the comments area. We do not want a comments area on our website, okay? That opens you up to all kinds of trouble. So let's go ahead and view the page again. And there we go. All that stuff's gone. Nice and clean. Okay. So we're looking good. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's set up a static page as our home page. Okay. Probably the most common question in WordPress ever. So we go down here to settings and then up here to reading. Okay. All right. Now it's set for latest post. We're going to set it to a static page. All right. So static page. And the front page will be our introduction page. The only page we have. Okay. Nice and easy. All right, we can leave everything else at default. Okay, no reason to change anything else, and we'll save changes. Okay, so let's go back to our website here, MediaArts 406, and see the web address here is MediaArts406demo.wordpress.com. That's our web address, and our homepage is now introduction. Okay, easy enough. Back to the dashboard. So let's go ahead and create some more pages now. All right, so what we need to do is go over here to pages and add new page. All right, and we're going to repeat the same process all over again. So we got to give it a title, self-portrait. Okay, how's that? And a little text in here just to show you we can do it. And I need to grab another YouTube video. Okay, and I got another one lined up here, and it's just a demo video. It's not my self-portrait. I just like this video. And paste it in. Okay, easy enough. Publish the page. Okay, let's go ahead and check the site here. And you notice we have our introduction homepage, and look at that. We have a menu item right here that says self-portrait. And there's our self-portrait page. Okay, easy enough. And let's get rid of all this same stuff again. You don't want to leave your website open for commenting until you get better at dealing with security. And we're doing this the quick and easy way. So let's just go to screen options here, make sure discussion's checked, come down here and just deselect all of this stuff. Okay? Nice and easy. And update it again. Okay, so far nice and easy, all right? So if we create a new page, see how it says add new right here, and it also says add new up here? Okay, there's always a couple of ways to do everything in WordPress, all right? We're going to do something a little different this time, so I'm going to type in portfolio up here, okay? Okay, so now let's add a gallery, okay? So we can add a gallery of our still images. All right, so see this thing right up here that says add media? All right, we just click on that, and here we go. Create gallery, okay? It's the second option down. Nice and easy. All right, so it says right here, select files, and I do have an assets folder right here with a bunch of images in it, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and add these images to my gallery, okay? This is really easy. Okay, so just grab them, drag them, and drop them in. Okay, can you believe how easy that was? So now I'm going to select this first image here and give it a title. And we'll just call it Dandy Spores. Okay, and I'm going to leave the caption out for now, but for the alternative text, I'm going to put in the title again. Okay, you know, if the image is broken for some reason, that will show up, so it's important to have that in here. And description is important for screen readers for accessibility purposes. So I'm going to type in an image of dandelion spores. Okay, so that's all we need to do. Now you do want to go through and do this for all your images in your gallery. All right. I'm not going to in this video just to save time, but you do want to do that. Okay. And check this out. Create new gallery. And there you go. These are all the images in your gallery. And of course, you can add captions if you want to. And you do have some options over here for how it looked with the columns and rows and all that. And I'm going to leave everything just as it is and make sure that it links to the attachment page, okay? And there we go, insert gallery, and there we go. This blue box right here is our gallery, okay? Easy enough. And so I want to type down here, here is a video, okay? You can of course organize this however you want to, but you already know how to post a video here. I'm going to go ahead and just grab the YouTube URL again and paste that in right here, okay? And let's go ahead and publish it. And then view the page. So there we go, gallery of images and a video on the same page. Easy enough, right? Click on an image and look at that. We got the full-size image right here, and we got some nice page arrows here to go through it. WordPress is brilliant. Okay, and there's our YouTube video. And of course, we're going to get rid of all this stuff. So let's go ahead and edit this page again. All right, so up here to edit. Okay, and I can actually select the gallery and treat it just like text. I can drag it where I want it. I'm going to drag it below the video here. Oh, I'll create a little space right there. Okay, and we'll update it. Okay, and view the page. Okay, so gallery below, video up top. Easy enough. So let's go ahead and edit the gallery now. So edit the page. If you select the gallery, you get this option right here to edit it. Okay, and I can grab these images and drag them wherever I want. Let's change the order. We'll put this one right here, this one right here, and let's go ahead and grab this one and put it right here. Okay, easy enough. And let's go ahead and update the gallery. Okay, now we have to update the whole page again and view the page. Okay, and now the images are in the new order, all right? So I want to clean up this web page now, and then after that I'll show you how to upload a PDF. So back to edit here, and we're going to go ahead and uncheck all of the same options that we did before on the other two pages. Easy enough, and we'll update that. Okay, that's done. So now let's go to add a new page. Okay, so I'm going to call this page PDF demo. Okay, easy enough. And anyway, we go up here to add media. Now this is just like adding a image. Okay, so I already have my PDF set up here. I'm just grabbing this demo PDF and dropping it in. Okay, and for the title, be descriptive. I'm just going to type in my demo PDF file. Okay, depending on what you're uploading here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and just copy that and put that in the description as well. Make sure that it links to the media file, okay, not to an attachment page, but to media file, all right? And then just insert page. Okay, so there we go, and my demo PDF file is what you will click on to download. So of course we publish it. All right, and then view the page. Okay, and there it is, and if we click on my demo PDF file, there's our PDF, okay? And I just use a demo PDF here for the example. And that's it right there. Okay, so again, we want to go ahead and edit this. And you probably know what's coming here. We're going to go ahead and uncheck all of these options here. Okay, and save right here by updating. Okay, so now what I want to do is actually view the whole website so far. So there we go. Now we have this menu items up here that are created by default. When you create pages in WordPress, it creates these menu items up here for you. However, if you come down here to Appearance, Menus, you have to do a few steps here if you want to control the order of your menu. You have to actually assign a menu. Okay, it makes one by default, but if you want to actually control it, you have to assign it. Okay, so let's go ahead and call this Main Menu. Okay, I'm going to come over here and create menu. So we've created our menu. Let's make it our top primary menu, and go ahead and save that. Okay, and automatically add new pages every time. That's what it was doing before, but now we're assigning our own menu, and we're going to have a lot more control over it. You'll see what I mean. Let's select these pages here. Those are the pages we created, and add them to our menu. Okay, look at that. Now we have our menu items right here that correspond to the pages that we created right here, okay? And here's the cool part. Just drag and drop these in any order that I want to, and it's going to update them on the front end of the website. Okay, how easy is that? It's the easiest way to set up your navigation. Okay, so let's save it. So introduction, self-portrait, portfolio, PDF demo. Not the right order here, but we saved it, so let's go ahead and refresh because we saved that menu. And there you go, the same exact order. Okay, so now let's do something real quick you're all waiting to do. Over here in Appearance, if we go to Customize, it opens up this blue panel on the right side here. And I want to go down to Header. And I'm going to upload a header image. And we do that exactly like we do gallery images and the PDF. Okay, easy enough. We've already done this a few times. So upload the file, drag and drop. And I have a nice header image I have set up. I'm going to drop that in. Okay, load. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to change the title over here to guitar header, and go ahead and copy that, put that in as the alt text, and let's see. Also go ahead and put that in the description too. Guitar header image. All right. So select and crop. Okay, that's the one thing that's a little different. So you can actually crop just like when you're cropping images for Facebook or something. So crop the image. And look at that, I got that nice header image up on top of my website. Okay, and I got my navigation here, that it's working on every page. If I come over here and hit save, saving changes, and your design is published. Okay, so remember we're just customizing, so let's jump over to the real front end of the website right now. Okay, close that out. And there we go. I'm going to refresh again, and there we go. Now our website now has a header image on it, and we have all this different menu items that we set up, and everything seems to be working perfectly. Okay, so how easy was that? That's a real nice, easy way to set up your own website using WordPress.